Hello viewers, today I'll share with you a really special Christmas recipe of mine with my very own unique twists. The showpiece of my Indian Christmas table is this amazing roast cockerel recipe which has my very special spicy stuffing. It looks absolutely gorgeous and tastes even better. For this recipe, I am using an English Heritage breed cockerel, a truly special free-range bird that is available fresh during Christmas. This is a 3.5 to 4 kg cockerel. It comes with its own cooking instructions, which I am going to totally ignore and cook it my own way. For the spicy stuffing, I'll be using 300 grams of boiled and pureed goat mince, 1 diced red onion, 2 tablespoons of garlic, the juice of 1 lime, some diced green chilies, some chopped coriander and curry leaves. I'll also need some diced mushrooms, green beans, red pepper and grated carrot, 1 bowl of pre-cooked basmati rice, grated cheddar cheese, and 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Put some ghee or clarified butter in a pot. Then add the diced onions, garlic and chilies and fry on high heat for 2 minutes. Then add the curry leaves and give the pot a stir. Now it's time to add all the veggies into the pot and fry them on high heat for 2 minutes. Then add salt and mix it in. Add the boiled and pureed goat mince into the pot, followed by 1 teaspoon each of turmeric and red chili powder. Mix everything together like I'm doing here. Then add the lime juice into the pot and fry for 2 more minutes. Now it's time to add the tomato puree and mix it in. Then add the rice to the pot. You can see our spicy stuffing is getting ready by the minute. Add the chopped coriander leaves, the cheddar cheese and give the pot a mix. And our spicy stuffing is ready for use after it cools down. Let's season the cockerel with salt and pepper. Rub it on top of the bird as well as inside the bird and on its back. The skin of the bird got damaged here because of the label sticking to it, which is a shame really. Now it's time to stuff our gorgeous cockerel. Pack in as much of the stuffing as you can. I'm going to add half an orange inside the bird for a citrusy kick. And then close the flap. And tie the legs securely. Here I have 1 star anise, 1 mace blade, some cloves and cinnamon sticks. Put them in a pot. Pour boiling water in the pot. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and simmer for 2 minutes. Place the cockerel, the grand chicken, on a baking rack. Then slowly pour the spice-infused hot water over the cockerel like I'm doing here. This will result in a crispier skin. Add a bit more water in the tray. Cover the legs of the cockerel like I'm doing here with a bit of foil, and then cover the entire bird and the tray with several layers of foil. Put the cockerel for 1 hour 40 minutes at 190 degrees centigrade fan. Then take it out. Baste the chicken like I'm doing here, and then you need to cook the chicken in the oven without a foil for 45 minutes, and make sure you baste the chicken 2 or 3 times in between. And after 45 minutes, your roast cockerel should have a beautiful crispy skin and be fully cooked. You need to cover it with foil and rest it for 15 minutes before serving it up. Look at that gorgeous roast cockerel. It just screams Christmas for me. I serve it with some Indian style fried potatoes and some additional stuffing for a truly delicious Christmas meal. Let me cut the cockerel to show you that it is moist, juicy and fully cooked. Wishing you all a very Merry Christmas. Enjoy!